Wait, hold on. All right, what is it, Jameis?
A rocket.
All right.
3, 2, 1, blast off. Go. 3, 2, 1, blast off. Go.
You gonna
Ready, set, go.
Okay, go.
Come on.
Whoa,
Take a
awesome.
picture when it's flying.
All right. What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa?
Merry Christmas.
And what do you say for the rocket?
When somebody gives you something, what do you say?
More.
Thank you.
Thank you. And take a picture when it's flying.
Okay.
Yet.
Okay. Let it fill up with air. There you go. Okay, now jump on it hard. Good job.